I step good as long as I'm with my toddy, baby.
So kiss me.
Hey guys, it's 4:12 and we originally left to pick up our tickets for Coachella at a certain place earlier. And my car broke down, no way to get in the car.
You don't have to speak so quietly, we're all friends here. You don't have to be embarrassed that you're a vlogger.
If you're my friend, you'd let me borrow your hotspot so I can post my vlog.
You're posting a vlog with a hotspot?
Yeah.
Alright, well I get to lean my chair back all the way then.
Yeah.
So pretty much we're about 3 hours
If you let
late.
me use your
It's
hotspot,
Wednesday,
you can put
my
your seat
birthday.
all the way back.
And we're very late, but it's okay. Coachella starts on Friday, but we just want to get there early, you know.
Yeah, they're tanning.
Young, dumb.
Well, it's Alex. She's
all I'm gonna
like
do.
I was saying.
Thought I did. Oh, why'd you move? Do that again, do it again.
So cool. Oh my god, are you excited?
I'm so artsy.
Fuck me. Oh my god, that was ridiculous.
Did you miss it? I got it if you want it. I haven't eaten all day! Okay, we arrived. I'm hungry, bitch! We're here in La Quinta. Oh man, it's very windy. Very cool out here. God, bye. 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 Yeah, bye.
Don't tell people where we're staying.
You're not gonna post till 3 weeks from now.
Wow. That was assault, brother.
What kind of assault?
You got a brother. 6 a.m., man. Dude, we're getting our rooms first. Are you excited? What kind of question is that? How did you sleep?
What?
How did you sleep?
I step good as long as I'm with my toddy, baby.
Same. Today's Thursday, one day away from Coachella, and tonight is Scott and
Tonight's pre-Coachella! Happy birthday, Todd!
Thanks. So today we're gonna lounge by the pool and then get ready for our pre-Coachella, pre-game in the desert, pre-game.
Hosted by Smirnoff.
Thanks, Zane. That's it. Yeah, we're officially going into the house that we were staying in for Coachella. Wow, this is pretty cool. Wow.
Wow. Chris, they posted an Instagram picture like that.
Shit, I got him. Yes. Nothing. My documentary.
Oh shit.
On guys who smoke.
Fuck!
Who smoke ass.
Smoke ass.
Bro, well then fucking count me in.
Thanks, man. Alright, I'm gonna put my camera down.
Seriously, just,
Yeah.
just enjoy yourself.
I am, man.
Dude, all you do is work. Fucking just like relax.
Well, I thought about it like you take time off for the vlog, I take time off for my vlog, you know? Fuck it.
Dang
You
it.
post like once a week.
It used to be 3 times.
Really?
No, like twice. And then I would get drunk and then be hungover and then I stopped.
Me.
I know.
She left.
It is the first morning, it's Friday, April 13th, 2 days after my birthday. Today is the first day of Coachella. And everyone's probably a little tired after last night, after hours.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. You're gonna come out here vlogging like a fucking puss a piece of shit.
You see that?
You don't like when I film?
I love when you film.
I love when you film.
I love when you
Yeah, I
film.
love you too.
I'm gonna pretend that thing is a racquetball.
Yeah. Don't do that, man. Ethan and Mariah are leaving.
Hey, how you doing there?
We're trying to get them to stay.
Are you guys gonna cancel your leaving plans?
Guys, loving is easy, so just stay.
You got me fucked up.
I know.
Loving is easy.
Okay.
We wish you could say we really do.
Happy birthday, man.
It's not my birthday. It's not my birthday.
This is indeed the first day of Coachella. And this is my outfit. I'm matching with Scott.
Loving is easy, you had me fucked up. It used to be so hard to see. Yeah, loving is easy when everything's perfect.
Well, I'm leaving Coachella.
Wow! Wow! You bought us a jet, Todd? Wow!
That's why we're leaving Coachella a day early.
Yeah.
This is pretty nuts,
So,
huh?
Cardi B or private jet? Cardi B, private jet. Cardi B, private jet.
I'm thinking we're leaving Palm Springs right now at 2:45 in the morning.
Yes.
On a
we're gonna
Sunday.
land in New York at 10:45.
For the Shorty Awards.
Shorty Awards.
Shorty Awards.
Can't wait. It's gonna be a good time.
Didn't really film much at Coachella.
Last time we flew private.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, that was my bad. That was my bad.
Not your bad. I've been filming the whole time.
Oh, are you sure?
I'll tell you what.
Alright.
Last time we flew on a private jet, I had so much footage. There was stuff I didn't even use that was so good.
So good?
Yeah, I had so much. Remember that flight we had?
Yeah, that was great. David made that montage.
It's 3 in the morning, so it's a little bit different. I'm worried about blankets. Because I don't have my...
Alright, we landed in New Jersey. We're definitely not at Coachella anymore. That's for sure. Oh, we got Trish, Matt, and Alex. Okie dokie. Alright, it's 3:30. It's 4 a.m. I'm about to head down to the lobby to meet up with Matt, David, and Jason, and we're about to catch a flight home. I'm very excited to go home. Alex and I made it on the flight. Barely made it.